What's the meaning of blur? Blur. Blur.
Blur. Blur. Blur can have several meanings depending on the context it is used in. Generally, it refers to something that is unclear or indistinct, lacking sharpness or focus. In photography, a blurred image is one that is out of focus or has motion blur. In visual art, a blurred effect can be used for aesthetic purposes to convey movement or create a dreamy atmosphere. Blur can also refer to a lack of clarity or focus in thought or communication. It can describe a confused, hazy state of mind or a muddled message. Overall, blur conveys a sense of ambiguity, vagueness, and imprecision.